Hi y'all. I was trying to record some stuff on the hammock, and I have company, as you can see. There's a certain little kitty who just loves sleeping in the hammock with me, or laying in the hammock with me. She hasn't slept in it overnight yet, but if she were outside at night and I was in the hammock, she would demand to be picked up and join me, and she drools all over me. She's also kneading and purring. Can you hear the purr? Anyway, yes, the hammock is very comfortable, isn't it? All filming must stop for Zaraja. Also, she's a big ham and insists on being on camera. So, you'll be sure to be seeing her showing her butt on some of my videos if you haven't already. Anyway, we're gonna get back to chilling, I guess. Not that I have any choice. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.